Okay, in this investigation, we're going to be finding the surface area of a cone. And how is it related to the surface area of a pyramid? So here I made a pyramid with a square base before. So when we think about surface area, we're just thinking about how many square inches, square centimeters, square whatever is covering all the faces. You know, how much paper did it take to make this shape? So it's pretty simple once you know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So what I have here is 4 triangles. And 1 square, right? And the square matches up like that. So the area of the square would be, let's see, if we call this side S, this is also S and S and S to make up that net. So this is S and S and S. So the area of this square is S times S, or so the area of the base is S squared. And then I need to find out what is this length right here. We call this the slant height, L. And as long as it's perpendicular to the base. Okay, so this is the slant height L, and it's perpendicular to the base. So the area of each of those triangles, so area of one triangle, would be 1/2 S times L. And if I wanted to get all 4 of them, so the total surface area of the pyramid would be S squared plus 4 times 1/2 S L. Now, one thing that you might want to notice here is that when I multiply 4 times 1/2 times SL, I could rearrange the order. So it could be 1/2, and I could put the 4 times the S together and L. And I just want to think about that as I go into this cone. Okay. And by the way, here's a hexagonal pyramid. And if we wanted to find the area of that, there's 6 sides, 6 triangles, and then a hexagon like that. So we can think of it the same way and break it up into the area of the base plus all of these areas of triangles. So the surface area of this hexagonal pyramid would be the area of the hex, I'll just say AX, plus 6 times 1/2 S, so we'll call that side S and this L, 1/2 SL. And now notice I can again take that 6 and rearrange it so it's 1/2 6 S's times L. Okay, and the more and more pieces that I break it up into, you would see, this plus, you would see that it could be 8 S's if it was an 8-sided object, and that'd be the area of the octagon. And now let's just go all the way to the cone. Okay, so for a cone, your base is a circle. So I'll go ahead and make one. About like that. And I'll make the height of the pyramid this high. Ruler, go across the center. And let's do a couple of different cuts across. Actually, I want to cut as many as I can. Let's do it into 8 parts. Yeah, that's halfway. Okay, so that's 8. Let's cut into more. I'll go ahead and speed up the video now. Okay, so each of these triangles is going to connect up with the circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 around to triangle 16. So I'll go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to put some tabs on there that can connect up, and I'll go ahead and speed up the video now. Okay, there's our construction of a cone, the net. Now I'm just going to strengthen the lines there so that I can fold it a lot easier using the dull side of a knife. Okay, there's the finished cone. So let's think about what is the surface area of this cone. Well, let me get some dirt. So the surface area of this cone, we have the area of the circle, right? The area of the base. And then we had all these triangles And really there isn't 16 triangles, there's I could split it up into smaller and smaller pieces, so there'd be an infinite number of triangles. So before we said it was the area of the base plus 1/2, an area of a triangle was S times L. But here, instead of a side length, there is no side length. But there is something that we can use from this. The 6S, isn't that just the perimeter of this hexagon? So we add S plus S plus S plus S plus S. There's 6 S's there. The perimeter of this shape is 4 S's, and we saw that here. So there's 4 S's, 6 S's. So what is the perimeter of a circle? Actually, it's the circumference, right? So that's just the circumference of the circle times the slant height. So we know the formula for the area of the base of a circle, it's pi r squared. And then the circumference is just 2 pi r and then times L. So this is now our formula for the area, the surface area of a cone.